Hi friends, now we will learn about Windows 7 installation. Before installation we need to take care of something. First we need to change something in your BIOS setup. For that and before installation you must have the CD cassette of Windows 7. That would be the bootable and it comes in the DVD because its size is more than 700 MB. So first to insert that DVD cassette in your DVD drive. Restart your system, and during restart you need to press Del F2 or F1 according as per your BIOS setup. It will show you here under your under your system that which key will help you to go into the BIOS setup. And after that you need to go to the boot menu and you need to select here boot device priority, and in the first boot device you need to select here CD-ROM. In the second boot device, you need to select here hard disk. In third, that PXE, that stands for peripheral devices. It means that the BIOS setup, and in the fourth boot, it would be disable or as per your convenience. And see here F10 save and exit. To save this configuration, you need to press here F10 from your keyboard to save that configuration. OK has been selected already here. Press enter. Your system will restart and it will start installing BIOS setup. See now our Windows is loading files. It means that formatting has been started. See now here language to install in English, time and currency format. It must be in Indian format. Let me select the India. Now the keyboard or input method would be the US method. After that you need to click here next. And now the install option is here. Click on the install now. It will start installing. See the setup is starting now. Here now select the operating system you want to install. Here two options is here: Windows 7 Ultimate x86 and Windows 7 Ultimate x64. It means that here we have the two type of operating system. First one has the 32-bit operating system and second one is the 64-bit operating system. Now I have to install the 32-bit operating system, that's why I have selected this one, and after that we need to click on the next. Here to the license agreement we need to check this box and again click to the next. Suppose if you want to upgrade the version, then you need to click on the upgrade, but I have to customize the installation, that's why we need to click here, select and click this one. Here the full space of my hard disk is 16 GB. So come here, drive options and advanced, click here, you will get more than one option. Here we need to create the partition, then click on the new. Okay, you will now we can create the partition. First partition would be 10 GB. Okay, now click on the apply. See here one message is here: to ensure that all Windows features work correctly, Windows might create additional partition for system files. It will create one additional partition that will be the 100 MB. The space would be 100 MB for the system files it takes. As you will click on the OK, it will take out 100 MB space from this whole space itself automatically. See now the system reserve is the 100 MB. And see, do let's check one thing. We cannot create more than 3 drive from here. Let's check really it is giving us permission or not. Now the second would be 1 GB. Click on the apply. See, next one also I want to create 1 GB. Now click on the apply. Third one. See, no any option is highlighted here. It means that we cannot create more than 3 partition from here. If you want to more than 3 partition from here, then we can create through the manage. So at last we will learn about how to create more than 3 partition in the Windows 7 through the disk manager. So first, let it be, this would be the operating system drive for C, and rest of all hard disk space I have left for the disk manager. We will create the partition through disk manager after installation. So first, after creation of the drive, click on the format to format that drive, and after that select this drive and click on the next. It will start installing. First process would be copying Windows file, second one is expanding Windows file, third one installing feature, fourth one installing updates, and fifth one completing installation. 1 2 3 4 5, in 5 phases it will install. So the expanding Windows file process has started now. 1 2 3 4 5, up to 100% it will go. See, now the 90% has completed here. It's now 90 on. Only 10% is remaining now. Now 100% has completed expanding Windows file to the 100%. Now it will install the feature. After that, update the feature, and after that it will complete the installation process. Now it's installing updates here. Now the updation has been done here, installing updation. Now it will complete the installation in the final stage here. See, it will restart within 10 seconds, and after that it will ask boot, press any key to boot from CD or DVD. So please don't press any key from your keyboard, otherwise it will repeat this process again. So you need to take care about that. Let the system restart normally. Don't press any key from your keyboard. After 5 seconds it will start from the hard disk. It will boot from the hard disk, okay, and it will complete the installation process like this. See, now here setup is updating the registry setting. Now the setup is starting services in your Windows. It will also take few time. See, now it's completing the installation process. See, now the setup will continue after restart your computer. After the completion, your system will restart, and again it will ask you one message that press any key to start from. Now the setup is preparing your computer for first use now. See, now your Windows 7 Ultimate, type a username. You need to type here the username. I'm giving the username here. That name would be Gotham, and your computer name would be Gotham PC. And after that, click the next. It will ask you the password. It is recommended, it is not mandatory. If you want to give, then you can give. If you want to leave it blank, then you can leave it blank, but I'm not giving your password. And going ahead, click on the next. Ask me later. You need to select this option. You need not to change the time in setting, because during the installation at the first step I have selected the time zone Indian time zone. That's why here Indian time zone has been set up. And after that, click the next. Select the home network. In the network, now window is finalizing your setting. Now the window is finalizing your setting. Let it be finalize the setting. Now system is getting restart. Finally the system is ready to use now. See here, Gotham is user here, and in the Windows 7 Ultimate, by default on the desktop you will get only one icon, that is recycle bin. To bring all these icons, you need to do one thing. Just right click on the desktop and go to the personalize. Here you have to click on change desktop icons, okay. After that, check this all box, whatever you want to bring on the desktop, apply, okay, and close this box. Now see, user profile, my computer, network place, and the recycle bin all are here on the desktop. Now during the installation, we are not able to create more than 3 partitions, and I told you that we will create through the disk manager. Okay, let me see how many disks is here. Only one disk. Only see local disk is here. We have to create, and this is the D drive. CD drive is here. So to go to the disk manager, you need to go to the my computer, right click on the my computer and select manage. Now we are in computer management. Here you need to select disk management. Connecting to the virtual disk service, it will show you the available number of space and then drive in the system. See, 9 GB space and 6 GB is unallocated. We have to create the drive from here. So click on the unallocated space, right click here and select new volume. In the welcome to the new simple volume wizard, you need to click on the next. See here, I am giving here 2 GB space, means 2000 MB. Now the drive letter will be E and the partition format is NTFS. Click the next. quick format is checked here. Check all this system and click next. See, the new partition has been created here and 4 GB is unallocated space. Again, right click on the unallocated space, new simple volume, next, 1 GB, it means 1000 MB, click next, drive name is F, next, next, finish. It will also create with 1 GB space. 3 MB is unallocated, again right click on the unallocated space. Okay, go to the new simple volume, click next, 1 GB, next. You can change the drive name from here. Let me select click next, enter this file format, next, finish. Again, this is the unallocated space. If you want to create the partition in 2 GB, click here, go to the simple volume, next, next, J is here, I want to Q, next, next, finish. There is not enough space for the available on the disk. Complete this page. Right click, go to the simple volume. So now see here how many partition I have created from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 partition is here. Let me check out in the my computer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 partition is here. I have created through the disk manager. That's why we do one thing. During the installation, we make only one partition for the C drive and we'll leave all the partition to make the partition through the disk manager. See, here the color is unallocated space is black, this is blue, this is extended, and this one is the free space, or this one is the large file steps. So this is all about the Windows installation and partition. Thank you for watching this video.